Hello everyone, I am Ramesh KS. Welcome to the class. So in this session, we are going to discuss about computer cores. There are the three different types of computer cores. So before I am going to explain you about computer cores, the types, let us introduce you the what do you mean by computer cores? Computer cores are used for internal representation of a data in computers. Internal representation of a data, that means let us take 2 and 3, 23. So this is what we have seeing on the screen. This internal representation, it will be carried out inside of a computer, inside of a machine, that it will be known with the help of computer cores. Let us write the definition. The meaning of computer code. Here I will write the definition. The meaning of computer code. Take less font. It is a these are used for internal representation of data, internal representation of a data in computers. So this is about computer cores. Computer use binary numbers for internal data representation. Computer cores use binary coding schemes like this. In binary coding, every symbol that appears in the data is represented by a group of bits. This is a group of bits. Okay. Thus, computer cores represent various characters, numbers, and control keys that the computer user selects on the keyboard. Suppose let us take have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Like this computer keywords are there, like function keys like F1, F2, F3, and arrow marks, caps lock, shift control. These are all called word symbols used in computer keyboard, right? This each and every computer keyboard having their own computer codes. Okay, so these computer codes are generally divided into three different types. So the first one is XS3 BCD code. It is named as XS3 BCD code. So, or we can say the name it as XS3. Also, we can speak like this. Okay, this is the first computer code. The second is EBCDIC. So what do you mean that EBCDIC? E means extended. B means binary, extended binary, coded, extended binary coded, decimal, interchange code, extended binary coded decimal interchange code. So this is about EBCDIC. This is the second computer code. So third computer code is XS3. Already we have written. So BCD code, binary coded decimal. BCD means binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal. So this is the third one. So these are the three different types of computer codes. Okay. So first we will work with XS3 BCD code and XS3 code. Okay. So in this, the XS3 BCD code is a non-weighted code and is obtained from 8421 BCD code by adding 3. 3 means 3, if you convert the decimal number into binary, it will become 0011. Okay. So before that, let us understand BCD code. Okay. So I am writing here BCD code. BCD code. So BCD code stands for binary coded decimal. Normally the it is a 4-bit 8421 BCD code. So let us take one example. I am taking 537. So I wanted to represent in a BCD format. So how I can going to represent it? In 4-bit BCD code only 2 power 4, that means 16 configurations are possible. 16 configurations are possible. Let us write the chart, the same like EBC DAC. It is like same like EBC DAC. So there's a minor changes. Like 5 we are representing it as 5 we are representing it as 01 01. 3 we are representing it as, all of you know that this conversion 3. So how we can convert J3 0011 8421 code? So again 4. So 4 would be not 7 right, 7 sorry. The 7 0111. So this is the BCD code representation. Okay. So the final answer, all of you know that 0101 0011 0111. So 537, the BCD code representation is in the form. Okay. So we have some few we can take some graphs here in this. So let us take the graph. So this is a BCD code representation. This is a BCD code representation. So in this BCD code, for a character we have taken zone 01 following with the 0001. So that is a character in BCD code representation. In B code representation, 01 is common, up to I01 zone is common. The remaining bits are, all of you know that. So we are taking this one. Okay, this chart. So for each and every alphabet having their own zones, up to A to I having their zone is 01, J to R zone is 10, and S to Z is 11. From 1 to 0, the character zone is 00. So the common elements, so 0001, 0010, like that we are taking the possibilities for 9 1001. So all of you know that. Okay. So the zones we are taking in a different way. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, the total number of elements are 8 in this. So we have to understand the chart of this, so that we can capture the particular characters BCD codes. So please make sure that please concentrate on this chart and make sure learn this chart. Okay. So for A to I, the zone is 01. From J to R, the zone is 10. From S to Z, the zone is 11. From 1 to 0, the zone is 0. So all of you know that 1 is 0001, 2 is 0010, like this. Okay. and S is 00010010. We are taking 0011 the same like this, but the elements up to 8 only we are considering here. Okay, that is the changes. Okay now, so 4 bit, right, 8 zeros and 8 ones up to ninth element, we are ending with this one. Okay, that is the thing here. Okay, because 4 bit binary number, right, that's why 8 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. After that I am taking 1 1. I, we are ending with I. We are ending with I. So the 7 zeros and 2 ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 8 9. So the 7 alphabets we are taking zeros, and the remaining the 2 alphabets we are taking 1. Okay now, so that is the thing here. Here also same thing, 7 zeros and 2 ones. So here also same thing, a total number of elements 7, the last element is 1. Okay now, so here it is in a different way we are considering. This is about BCD code. Okay, now let us concentrate on XS3 code. XS3 BCD code or XS3 code. So 537 I am taking example represented as XS3 code. 5 is represented as 0101, 3 is represented as 0011, 7 is represented as 0111. This is 8421 BCD code. Normally this is a 8421 BCD code. So now add 3. Add 3 means 0011. For to this binary addition we are doing again 0011 0011. We are adding to this binary number with this, we will get this number. We will get this number. So finally XS3 code would be like this: 10000 1010 0110. Okay. So all of you know that the binary addition 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 will be the carry, 1 plus 1 1 0, again 1 will be the carry, 1 plus 1 1 0, again 1 will be the carry. So 1 we are taking here, 1000 the answer. Now 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 is the carry, 111 is the double one answer, 1 is the carry, 1 we are placing here, again we are placing 1. So 1 plus 1 1 0, 111 is double one. We are taking 1 here, finally 0. Sorry, carry will be forwarded here, 1 0. Okay now. So is a wrong answer. Normally 1 plus 1 is 1 0. I'm removing this one. 1 plus 1 is 1 plus 1 is 1 0. 1 is the carry. Here writing 0. Okay na. Again 1 is the carry, 111 is the double one is the answer. 111 is the answer. 1 is the carry. Again 1 we are taking here. 1 is the answer. So finally here 0. So you can check with this with 3 plus 3 6, right? 8421 4 plus 2 6. So this is the correct answer. Okay, so 7, all of you know that 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 is a carry, 1 plus 1 plus 1 1 answer, 1 is the carry, and 1 we are placing here. 1 plus 1 1 0. 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 plus 1 1 0, triple 1 is the double 1 is the answer. Again 1 1 1 0. Here this is also wrong thing. I am changing this one. So all of you know that the binary addition in previous classes we discussed it. Okay, so 1 plus 1, 1 is the carry, 0 is the, we are placing here 0. 1 plus 1, again 1 is the carry, triple 1 becomes double 1. I'm taking 1 here. I'm taking 1 here. So 1 again carry, 1 plus 1 1 0. So I'm taking 0 here. So finally 1 will be the placed here 1. Okay na? So all of you know that 7 plus 10, 1 0 1 0, if you convert into decimal it will get 10 only. So this is a final answer. This is a XS3 code. So 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 is the XS3 code for this 537. Okay, this is about XS3 BCD code. The second part we explained it. Now the final part is EBC DAC, and also the fourth one is also there, that is ASCII. That is called ASCII. 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 Okay, these are 4 computer cores. Okay, now EBC DAC we are representing is like that. So the chart you have to remember in mind, you have to keep in mind. EBC DAC code was developed by IBM. It is an 8-bit code, and so it has 2 power 8, 256 possible code groups. 256 possible code groups. This coding scheme is used with a large computer as mainframes. In mainframes we are using this code, EBC DAC. So from like that, as we discussed in BCD code, the same representation from A to I, the zone is different. There we have different zones. Here the different zones is different. 1 1 0 0 for A to I. From J to R the zone is 1 1 0 1, and from S to Z the zone is 1 1 0 to 1 1 0. From 0 1 to 0 9 the zone is 1 1 1 1. So you can observe here 8-bit, 4 bits here 4 bits, the total 8 bits. So that means 8-bit. You can see here the explanation. Yes, you can see that the coding was developed by IBM. It is an 8-bit. 8-bit means it's 4 bits and here 4 bits. The total 8 bits. 8-bit code. So it has 250 possible code groups. Total, so 256 possible code groups are there. So you can write the explanation to like this. ABCDAC code there you have to write like this, following this chart. Okay. The chart also is very easy. From A to from total 9 alphabets are there. From 7 alphabets are zeros and remaining ones. So remaining thing you know that how to write this. Okay. So this is about ABCDAC explanation. Let us move on. ASCII symbols. So these are ASCII symbols. So the different symbols used in our computer. Like A, B, C, D, we have 62 number, ASCII number. Sorry, 98 is ASCII number, 97 is ASCII number. So some other digits are there, like ampersand, brackets, spaces. So like different symbols are there. Some greater than, less than have their own ASCII characters. So this also you have to remember in your mind. Okay, this is about ASCII chart for the each and every digit in the digital computer. Okay, now from 0 to up to 100, 127 bit is a 127 bit. So up to 127 characters, having ASCII characters for each and every digit, from small alphabets, capital alphabets, some escape sequences. Okay, some space also some ASCII character 32 like this. Space bar, all of you know that. Exclamatory, hash, dollar. So for each and every character have their own ASCII character. Okay, so you can write the explanation to them in the paper, like ASCII characters explanation. ASCII means what? American American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So the abbreviation for it, American Standard American Standard Code stand code for information interchange. Information and interchange. So this is about ASCII explanation. ASCII. This is ASCII abbreviation. Okay. So computers can only understand numbers. So an ASCII code is a numerical representation of a character such as AR, at the rate, or an action of some sort. ASCII was developed a long time ago, and now the non-printing characters are rarely used for their original purpose. Okay, below is the chart ASCII character table, and this includes the description of the first 32 non-printing characters. ASCII was actually designed for use with the teletypes, and so the descriptions are somewhat obscure. Okay, so this is about ASCII explanation. Okay, let me see this document, computer course. Okay, thank you everyone. If you have any queries, please reply with this, the proper doubt explanation, so that I can clarify you. Okay, thank you, bye.